6 foods to clean your fatty liver. The liver, one of the body's largest organs, plays a crucial role in detoxifying the blood, storing energy, and aiding in digestion. However, with the rise in sedentary lifestyles and poor dietary habits, conditions like fatty liver disease have become increasingly prevalent. Fatty liver disease occurs when fat builds up in the liver cells, impairing its function, and potentially leading to serious health complications. While lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise are key to managing fatty liver disease, certain foods have been shown to support liver health and aid in its cleansing process. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful foods that can help cleanse your fatty liver and promote overall liver health. Coffee. Coffee is more than a morning pick-me-up. It's a beverage with potent antioxidants, including chlorogenic acids. These compounds combat oxidative stress and inflammation, crucial factors in maintaining liver health. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, and it's closely linked to liver diseases. Regular coffee consumption has been associated with lower levels of liver enzymes, such as alanine transaminase ALT and aspartate transaminase AST. Elevated levels of these enzymes can indicate liver damage. By promoting healthy enzyme levels, coffee may contribute to a well-functioning liver. Coffee stimulates bile production in the liver, aiding in digestion and the elimination of waste. Bile plays a vital role in breaking down fats and assisting nutrient absorption. The enhanced bile flow facilitated by coffee can support the liver's detoxification processes. Studies suggest that coffee drinkers may have a lower risk of liver disease, including cirrhosis and liver cancer. The protective effects are attributed to coffee's ability to neutralize inflammation and reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. While coffee can offer liver benefits, moderation is crucial. Excessive caffeine intake can lead to negative health effects. It's recommended to limit caffeine consumption and consider individual tolerance levels. Turmeric. At the heart of turmeric's health benefits lies curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in liver diseases, and curcumin's ability to modulate inflammatory pathways makes it a promising ally in liver health. Curcumin is not only anti-inflammatory, but also a potent antioxidant. It scavenges free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the liver. This dual action helps protect liver cells from damage and supports overall liver function. Fatty liver disease often involves an accumulation of fat in liver cells. Curcumin can aid in reducing liver fat by influencing lipid metabolism. It can potentially inhibit fat accumulation and promote the breakdown of fats in the liver. Curcumin enhances liver detoxification processes by stimulating the production of detox enzymes. This aids in the removal of toxins from the body, contributing to a healthier liver. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be as simple as adding it to curries, soups, or making hot turmeric tea. However, it is important to note that curcumin's bioavailability is relatively low, and consuming it with black pepper, which contains piperine, can increase absorption. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, encompassing a spectrum from spinach to kale, contribute significantly to liver health through their rich fiber content. Fiber serves as a digestive broom, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is pivotal for overall liver function, as it helps eliminate toxins efficiently. The nutrient profile of leafy greens reads like a multivitamin for liver health. Abundant in vitamins such as A, C, E, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, these greens fortify the liver's ability to carry out its myriad functions. For instance, vitamin K plays a role in blood clotting, a process interconnected with liver health. The vibrant green hue of leafy greens signifies the presence of chlorophyll, a compound with detoxifying properties. Chlorophyll aids in liver detoxification by facilitating the removal of toxins and heavy metals. This purification process is essential for maintaining the liver's optimal functioning and safeguarding against the detrimental effects of accumulated toxins. Garlic. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and distinct flavor, has been valued not only for its culinary uses but also for its potential medicinal properties. Garlic's main bioactive compound, allicin, is responsible for its many health benefits, including those related to liver health. Garlic can play a role in reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Allicin has been shown to influence lipid metabolism, potentially preventing excessive fat accumulation. This is particularly relevant in the context of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD), where fat accumulates in the liver without alcohol consumption. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to its liver protective effects. By reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals, garlic supports the overall health of liver cells, potentially preventing damage and disease progression. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, acclaimed for their versatility and nutritional richness, contribute to liver well-being through their high fiber content. Fiber plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels, a factor intrinsically linked to liver health. By promoting blood sugar stability, chickpeas help prevent the adverse effects of insulin resistance on the liver. Chickpeas emerge as a source of nutrients, providing essential elements such as zinc and manganese. These minerals are essential for liver function and participate in antioxidant defense mechanisms. Furthermore, chickpeas contain phytochemicals such as saponins and phenolic compounds, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, contributing to the general protection of liver cells. In addition to the nutritional domain, chickpeas indirectly contribute to liver health by supporting optimal digestion. The combination of fiber and protein in chickpeas promotes satiety, helping individuals maintain a balanced diet and avoid excessive consumption of harmful foods that can negatively affect liver health. Green tea. Green tea, celebrated for its calming properties, harbors a treasure trove of catechins. These potent antioxidants act as a protective armor for the liver, neutralizing free radicals and mitigating oxidative stress. The primary catechin, epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG), takes center stage in the fight against liver damage. Green tea consumption has been associated with reduced levels of liver enzymes. Elevated liver enzymes are often indicative of liver distress, and the ability of green tea to lower these levels underscores its potential in enhancing liver function. By doing so, green tea positions itself as a soothing elixir, with tangible benefits for liver wellness. Green tea catechins exhibit hepatoprotective properties. From reducing liver injury to promoting regeneration, these compounds showcase a holistic approach to liver health. Green tea's ability to modulate inflammatory pathways and inhibit oxidative stress contributes to its overall effectiveness in maintaining liver well-being. Maintaining optimal liver health is crucial for overall well-being, and certain foods can play a significant role in cleansing and supporting the liver, especially in the context of fatty liver disease. Incorporating foods rich in these benefits into your diet, or considering supplementation under the guidance of a healthcare professional, can help promote liver health and reduce the risk of liver-related complications. However, it's essential to remember that foods should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle habits. By prioritizing liver-friendly foods and nutrients, you can take proactive steps towards supporting your liver and improving your overall health. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.